Alright, what's going on, guys? FC12 here. Today we are going to be doing a house building competition against my brother. Yeah, so we're building the Emerald Block Wall. This is a map that we've been trying to make yet, so
you have the Unspeakable and Rage.
Yeah, so we are going to be doing a video of the house building competition. Hey Liz, should we just start now?
No.
Okay, I'll just get the timer ready on my phone. So I'll be checking it. So I'm just going to set the time on here. Changing it 20 minutes, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, so the timer has started.
Wait a
What?
Stop looking.
I'm not.
I'm kind of looking.
Okay, I'll go ahead and build my house. I'm going to try doing my best for this competition. So we've got some pink concrete. Yeah. Also, I'm going to use hold on, I'll try typing it in.
What in?
Don't look. Remember it's a competition. Yeah, so we're just going to use this item for the skin. Yeah, so now we are going to head on. We're just gonna crack on with this. Liz, have you started building yet? Okay, I'm going to start building now. Okay, I built it a little bit too far. Yeah. Once the timer goes up, then we are finally going to reveal our builds. Yeah, so as you can see, we are building really goodly. Yeah, I hope it is. Comment down below if you think that this house that I'm building is good, cause I have no idea. And also when this competition is finished, comment down below. So this will be a vote if either me first plays one or my brother has won. Yeah, cause I have no idea. Wait, why did I?
So guys, mine is just like a mansion type house.
Yeah, and mine's a first place house. So I'm first place, as well as FC12C.
So is it like a house that looks like your skin?
I'm not telling.
Like the face.
I'm not telling.
No, just so that I know if it's correct.
It might be. Well, it might be. Also, I might be sending this to my phone to edit it, because I definitely will be editing this video.
Wait, so I've nearly got the whole blue ninja on this game.
Cool.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm doing a house building competition with Lewis.
What house are you gonna build?
A first place house. It's not pink. It's not pink.
Is it what?
It's not pink. It's a first place house.
And I would use pink wool.
Well, you're not allowed to look at it, okay, Lewis?
I didn't.
Okay. Just making sure.
Besides, I'm on the other side.
Yeah, so we've apparently we've got like 16 minutes. We have 16 minutes left to build this.
Oh man.
Yeah, so
you're probably gonna win. You can build quickest. You know what? Could you not build quickly?
Okay.
You do like one at a time.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what I'm doing. So I don't want my house messy. Like, who wants a messy house?
No one?
Like a house with mixed blocks.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know who would. Yeah, so this house, guys, I think it's going to look very good. It's like, now we've apparently got 15 minutes left.
Oh no.
So now, I just need to do the rest of
The
it.
house is on fire.
Anyways, I'm just going to build build it as good as I can.
Peter, now I get the whole blue ninja.
Cool. Yes, Pearl's playing a game on her Kindle, and it's a Lego game. It's apparently what me and Lewis used to play on the white tablet or something. Yeah, so now we've only got still 15 minutes. So now, yeah, we're still gonna. Yeah, it was the orange tablet. Yeah,
And then we
so
go to play Kingdoms.
no, I don't play that anymore.
I know, but we did. I did. Pretty sure we did.
Yeah, so now
How many minutes now?
we've only got 14 minutes 45 seconds. Lewis, that's still a long time away. Yeah, so this video is going to be a really good one. Okay. Yes, guys, this video.
I wish the PS4 controller was connected because I have to just build really fast.
Now, I'm not good at building really fast with my PS4 controller.
Can you ever shut up? No. You're really loud.
Yeah, so anyway, as you can see, we're nearly finished the building on here, but we'd still need to edit it a little. Like, we'd have to edit the inside. Oh, thank you, Liz. Yeah, so I don't really do that much creative videos anymore. And Lewis, he doesn't do that much videos. He's usually just in my videos. But yeah, guys, well, I do some YouTube videos, Lewis, you just don't upload them. So, yeah, so, yeah, we finished that bit. So now, I'm just gonna get some of my stuff away. Yeah? Yeah, so we've now got like 13 minutes left. Yeah, now.
Oh no.
Now we're just going to get some of these stuff. Yeah, so yeah.
If you put it on my head, that would be fun.
Gosh, we have to add some light. Yeah, so you guys can see we're still not finished building. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, you can see how good I did right now. Anyway, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, so yeah, it looks like that we've nearly yeah, we need to place that torch back up again. Now.
I've already snorted yours.
Yeah, so now we're just doing a lot of stuff now to this house. It appears we've only got 11 minutes left to finish it.
Oh no. How long seconds?
30 seconds. 11 minutes, 30 seconds. Hey, that's not bad. So you still got a long time.
Who cares about you silly places?
Yeah, so anyway, we are going to be building a really... What?
Razor, stop the timer. Pause it.
Okay, I'll try.
And I think my Kindle, no, it hasn't closed, but I don't know what I can do on it. I can't do anything on it.
Okay. Can I still build though?
No.
Okay. If I would, I'd pause it, but I'm not able to.
You get extra minutes.
Yeah, but any.
That means when I get back on, you redo the timer to.
No, I already no, I said I'm not able to pause the video. I'm able to pause the timer.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Did you do it?
Yeah, I paused the timer.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so anyway, yeah, this looks so good so far.
Eddie,
They're not bad.
I mean, Louie.
Yeah, I'm totally just going to do this bit.
Stop.
Yeah, looks so good. Yep, best bit. Yeah, I'm just looking around. Yeah?
Just get on with building the map, like the roller coaster.
Are you joining?
No.
No, don't look at my build.
Okay, but go to the roller coaster
Why?
so that you can build it.
No, we're still doing a house competition.
No, because
Yeah.
the timer's not on.
Yeah,
Just do it.
No, I'm waiting for you. I'm able to look at your house, you know.
No, you're not allowed because it's cheating.
I'm just going to go back to building my house.
Don't build anything because that's cheating. If you build, it's cheating because the timer's off and I'm not on.
Don't make me do it.
Hey, just don't build. That's all I need you to do. Is don't build anything except for the roller coaster.
No.
Then you're a cheater.
Okay, fine.
Don't!
What?
Fine! You don't want to build a roller coaster map. Both of us.
Yeah, of course I don't.